We need a villain, someone who we can hold responsible for our pain. Time is immensely powerful. When someone's time comes, no one can stop it. And when someone's time has not yet come, no one can take it away. Ram. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 11, Chaupai number 4, through which we will get to know that Sita ji began to blame her own fate for her suffering in Ashok Vatika. कह सीता विधि भा प्रतिकूला, मिलहि न पावक मिटहि न सूला, देखियत प्रगट गगन अंगारा, अवनी न आवत एक अवतारा. When despite our countless efforts, our sufferings do not come to an end, when even with the passage of time, our circumstances do not change, when the chain of sorrow does not break, even after our patience is exhausted, and when we can find no reason why we have become the victims of such limitless pain, then in the end we blame fate itself. It is written in my destiny to suffer. Therefore, nothing can be done about it. In truth, we always need someone to blame for our circumstances. We need a villain, someone who we can hold responsible for our pain. But that someone usually has to be one of our own, because we can only place blame on those close to us. When we fail an examination, we cannot blame the examiner or the person who sets the question paper. So, we blame our teacher instead. He didn't teach us properly. Even if he did, he didn't pay personal attention to me. And that's why I failed. And when even that excuse does not hold, poor fate is all that remains, the one upon whom all the blame is finally placed. Goswami ji says, कह सीता विधि भा प्रतिकूला, मिलहि न पावक मिटहि न सूला, देखियत प्रगट गगन अंगारा, अवनी न आवत एक अवतारा. Sita ji says that now even the command of destiny has turned against me. There is no fire available to light my funeral pyre, nor is the piercing, thorn-like pain subsiding. In the sky, stars appear like burning embers, yet not a single star falls on the earth whose fire might erase my suffering. Vaidehi was lamenting and holding destiny responsible for her condition. You may remember that a similar situation arose for Pitamaha Bhishma during the war of the Mahabharata. According to Dharma, he wished to give up his life during Uttarayan. But until Uttarayan arrives, lying on the bed of arrows, waiting for Uttarayan, was no less than a trial for him. On one hand, the countless arrow wounds caused him unbearable pain. On the other, he had to depend on others even to quench his thirst. But greater than all of this was his anguish at being forced to witness the massacre of the Mahabharata war. Pitamaha laid on the bed of arrows right on the battlefield of Kurukshetra and unwillingly had to watch the slaughter on both sides with his own eyes. On both sides, his own relatives were being killed. He was bound to the royal throne of the state and had to see the death of the Kaurava princes with his own eyes, and also watch beloved young warriors like Abhimanyu fall into the jaws of death right before him. Yet he was helplessly compelled to wait for the pre-decided moment for his death. Something similar is what Janki felt. In the Valmiki Ramayana, Sarga number 28, Shlok number 3, she says, Satyam batedam pravadanti loke nakal mrityur bhavatiti santah yatrahamevam paribhatsemana jivami dina shanamapi punya. The saints have spoken the truth that in this world, death does not come before its appointed time. Otherwise, considering the way I am being tormented by Ravan and yet am forced to live such a miserable, degraded life, this must be the result of a deficiency in my own merits. She considers it her misfortune that she must wait so long even for death itself. So what lesson do we learn from today's Chaupai? Time is immensely powerful. When someone's time comes, no one can stop it. And when someone's time has not yet come, no one can take it away. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to those who try to compete with time. See, when the time for someone's journey is fixed, they will go. No power in the world can stop them. As a great person once said, कागज के टुकड़े पर अगर मोहर नहीं लगेगी तो क्या तारा पाकिस्तान नहीं जाएगा? Now look at this gentleman. He didn't even have a flight ticket. Yet, once he boarded the plane, he will eventually get off only after reaching his destination. राम नाम की लूट है, लूट की पूरी छूट है, ये पूंजी बिनमोल आपकी है सारी की सारी। तो बोलो मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।